Assalamu alaikum nursery class. It's the time for the drawing and coloring. Today is Friday. Have a blessed Friday. So today we will do this activity. Page number 3. Look at the cross design and draw it in the given space. Okay, means we have to draw the same pattern like this. Okay, you will take color. I don't have color right now, but you will take colors. First of all, you will take purple color. Okay, purple color and write like this. Okay, after that green color. Okay, equal. Cross must be equal. Try to draw equal cross. Again purple. Now take orange color. Okay, same like this. So we'll complete the pattern and send the picture to me. Okay,